Hi viewers, this episode is about a factory tour at Xiaomi Hyper EV factory. This is the first factory that Xiaomi launched in 2024. Since it was built 2 years ago, more than 600,000 cars have been produced in this factory. Once we arrived, the shuttle bus picked us up from the parking place. We saw a lot of Xiaomi cars, including the SU7 and YU7 series. Today, we get to take a deep dive in the public factory tour that Xiaomi provides. Xiaomi is very popular in China, so this factory has around 200,000 visitors per year. We arrived very early, so we had some time to visit the showroom. Xiaomi's custom positioning is targeting users who pursue a great driving experience. Its lineup includes models like the SU7, YU7, SU7 Ultra, YU7 GT, and customized versions. The SU7 is a sedan with a coupe shape. It was released in 2024, and in March this year, the SU7 received a facelift with many new upgrades, including a new vehicle controller and plenty of new car features. The YU7 was released in June 2025, and just 3 minutes after its release, it got more than 200,000 pre-orders. The factory tour starts with an introduction of Xiaomi's technology. It shows prototype cars, battery cells, and self-developed motors. We also learn about the new vehicle mechanics and body materials. Xiaomi also proposed the concept of ecosystem, human, car, home. Since Xiaomi makes many smart home devices, you can control them directly from your car. For example, when you are arriving home, you can turn on your home AC and lights from your car. And when you are leaving home, you can preset your car's climate control. All of these can be controlled through the voice assistant. After the brief technology introduction, we took a visitor shuttle bus into the factory. We are not allowed to shoot videos inside the factory, so I will use official Xiaomi factory footage to show you some factory technology insights. For example, there are several 9,100-ton die casting machines. It can produce large cast structural materials in one piece, which makes production faster and makes the car body stronger. Since this is a brand new modern factory without old legacy equipment, Xiaomi can implement the latest state-of-the-art technology. So now I'm back from the factory tour. It's really amazing. We had a small introduction at the beginning, and then we went to the factory. It's really insane. That's the technique they have, and also the size. And then we have our last stop, which is the go-kart at Xiaomi. We have booked a go-kart session later that day, and even the price for the go-kart here is only about half of other go-kart sites in Beijing. On the one side, Xiaomi used this activity to attract more visitors and share Xiaomi's culture. On the other side, it also shows how good Xiaomi is at the cost control. The track is around 580 meters long and features 13 corners. They also maintain a leaderboard that shows the fastest lap time ever recorded since this track opened. On that day, I managed a lap time of 43.2 seconds on my first try. So that wraps up my day at Xiaomi factory. It was a great day, experienced a lot and learned a lot, bought some souvenir. I'm so happy I had this opportunity. Big thanks to Xiaomi. And if you like such content, don't forget to like and subscribe.